Good evening, folks. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday evening through Monday, July 17 to 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. And let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We have now the ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone, extending across the central parts of the Philippines, and that's areas of Mindanao, rest of Visayas, and Mimaropa. So expect some partly cloudy to cloudy skies with afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms over these areas. And right here across the eastern Visayas and the Bicol region, we have the warm easterly surface wind flow, also known as Easterlies, bringing some sunny conditions with increasing cloudiness in the afternoon or evening and some passing showers or thunderstorms in isolated fashion. And elsewhere we have some good weather with some warm temperature reaching up to 35-36 degrees centigrade, but later on in the afternoon or evening you could expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Remember to watch out for some lightning strikes and possible flash floods just in case we have a severe thunderstorm passing over your area. Outside the Philippine area of responsibility, we have a surface trough here. Moving away, this is the trough that passed over the Philippines during the past few days, and we have another surface trough here just west of Palau, but it's not expected to intensify. And we have here a new weak low pressure area just to the south of Guam, and this system we will be observing it for the next few days for possible development. But so far, various computer models, the Typhoon Global model, suggest that it will just remain as a low pressure area, a weaker or moderate low pressure area as it approaches the Philippine Sea next week. So we're still going to observe this for possible new developments in days ahead. And we have here another surface trough to the eastern sections of the Intertropical Convergence Zone. So these three systems are embedded within this active ITCZ. And that's the latest from our end here at the Philippines. And as we look at our fast animation, you can see here the increasing cloudiness in the afternoon as we enter the evening. There's still some isolated thunderstorms occurring in some areas of Luzon. And we have here the weak LPA, which is somewhat still disorganized. As we look at our zoom in satellite animation, this is the infrared one from UMETSAT, windy.com weather app. You can see some developing thunderstorms over the Cordilleras and here across the portions of eastern Mindoro, Romblon, portions of Cebu and Negros, and some areas of Mindanao, particularly Zamboanga Peninsula. So far, that's the latest when it comes to thunderstorm activity. This is already a usual afternoon thing. These thunderstorms, especially during non-occurrence of tropical cyclones or monsoon system. And as we look at our windy.com ECMWF 3-day wind and rain forecast, by tomorrow afternoon 4 p.m. we could see some lesser development of thunderstorms. We have here over some parts of Mindanao and eastern Visayas as well as Quezon province and the areas under Ilocos region. There could be some possible thunderstorms over that area, and small areas of central Luzon, particularly Metro Manila, there could be some showers or thunderstorms developing by tomorrow afternoon, Saturday. And on Sunday afternoon, the thunderstorm activity will be somewhat increasing once again. It's almost all across the Philippine Islands. There could be some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon. And on Monday afternoon, July 20, you can see still the presence of localized thunderstorms across most parts of the country, particularly here along the areas of Tarlac and Pampanga, including the Zambales Mountains, and areas of Cavite and Batangas, Mindoro, portions of the Bicol region, portions of Visayas, and most parts of Mindanao. That will be on Monday, July 20th. And before we leave you, here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. As you can see in our previous slides, the possible thunderstorms and this rainfall accumulation from windy.com. This 3-day rainfall accumulation based on the ECMWF forecast. You can clearly see here that most parts of Mindanao and Visayas and some areas, small areas of northern Luzon, particularly Ilocos region, will have some possible rain showers and thunderstorms for the next 3 days to summarize it. Okay, so that's it. That's the latest for this Friday evening through Monday, July 20th. And we'll be returning again on Monday from Typhoon2000.com. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy weekend to all. And thank you for watching our Weather TV channel.